Hi guys, welcome back. So, what's in the bag? Got a little delivery today. Some bits I've been waiting on from AliExpress. So, we're gonna take a pic and see what's inside it. So let's see what's inside bag number one. Inside bag number one there is a set of MN front and rear axles with metal gears. In bag number two we got a set of SG 1603, 1604 headlights. Bag number three we got a set of Tamiya light kit. We got ourselves a WPL 2-speed gearbox, including servo, and a 370 motor. Bag number five. We've got a set of MN bridges, all metal, with a servo mount on the axle for the front, obviously. And finally, bag number six. Bag number six, we got WL racing wheels. Okay guys, that's today's delivery unboxed. Thanks a lot for all your subscriptions and leaving comments. Really appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.